The electrophysical properties of the surface of radiation thermally treatment beryllium in a water medium. By N. Gadjiva and F. N. Nurmamedova. The electrophysical properties of the surface of metallic beryllium were studied before and after radiation thermally treatment in a water medium at temperatures 773 K by influence of gamma quanta. On the features of the curve's current voltage characteristics, it is established that radiation thermally modification of the surface of a beryllium is accompanied by the formation of oxide structures, defects which are determined by the temperature and time of irradiation. It is shown that the formation of continuous oxide layer with dielectric properties leads to the increase of the surface resistivity by order. It was a comparative study the kinetics of changes in the values of surface resistivity from off contact time for radiation, thermally and thermally oxidized beryllium samples. It was revealed a stimulating role of radiation at relatively low temperatures in the oxidation process. According to the AFM, surface morphology studies radiation, thermally oxidized metallic beryllium with formation of a thin oxide film involving nanoparticles of one species of 150 nanometers, and the formation of a continuous oxide layer equally spaced with different kinds of nanoparticles 400 to 600 nanometers in size. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.